rapid fire round. I'll just ask you 10 sentences. Just give a one word or one sentence answer. So, first, what this means to you is what we want to know from you. So, starting with Chennai.
Well, my second home, adopted son. So,
Fans.
well, without fans, we are nothing.
Great. Motorcycles.
Uh, it's like love of the life type, the side that doesn't complain. So, yeah. So, my wife may not like it, but the fact is, my motorcycle doesn't complain to me.
Great. The title Tala.
Well, that's a nickname that was given to me, and I just love it.
Great.
So it shows the love and affection of the fans.
And the CSK's Whistle Podu.
Whistle Podi right from the first year, so in between we tried to change the song also. I think it was after the first 2 or 3 years. I'm like, no, we don't need to change the song, it always needs to be the same. So yeah, Whistle Podu and CSK are like next to each other. You can't say one without the other.
Maxi Vision.
So I just got a tick mark for the next 5 years. I can play cricket, but
Great.
the only catch is Doc only gave a clearance for eyesight. Body, he didn't give a clearance for body, But I cannot play cricket only with my eyes. I need to have my body also.
So at least we'll take care of your eyes. So, mother.
Well, mother, I always felt that they are the ones who go through a lot, and they never complain. They are always there. Whatever is needed, yes, in between they keep scolding us, but they'll still come behind and give us what we really need at that point of time. So, mother's love is something that's unconditional, I would say. And I think all of us are very close to our moms. Even if they scold us, at times, but still very close to our moms.
Of course, next wife.
Well, we are all the same, all married men are the same. It hardly matters whether, you own a big hospital chain or you're ex-captain of the Indian cricket team. We still have a corner in our house that's dedicated to us.
Good. The daughter.
Well, the best thing is, they always say that daughters take care of the parents the most. And I'm seeing it with my sister. So I have a daughter, and I feel it's exactly right. So daughters are the best things. That
I'm
can
also
happen.
fortunate to have two daughters. So.
So you'll be well taken care of.
Hopefully. The last, India.
Well, I've always been very patriotic, and when I was representing in Indian cricket team in cricket also, the thing was, as an Indian, you very rarely get a chance to represent the country. In the sense, if you are a sports person and if you are playing at the highest level, you get a chance when you represent the whole country, whether it's cricket, whether it's hockey, whether it's badminton. So there was a sense of satisfaction that, in throughout my life, however long I live, I get a chance to represent my country. And after that comes the second, where you want to contribute, you want to do well, you want India to win matches. So it's a very good feeling to have, where everything else takes a second seat, and the first and major concern is, how whatever we do brings laurels to the country. And I feel, as a sports person, we are privileged, that we at some point of time we are able to represent our country.